All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to review the different types of triangles, angles, formed by the transversal. So there are these two parallel lines. They're going in the same direction, so I color right here between them. You always have to do that first. Color between the lines. What's going on? What happened to my Zoom? All right, that's the first thing you're going to do. After you do that, let's review the different types of angles that you can have. I want everyone to make sure they copy, copy, copy. All right, so the 4 different kinds you have, the first 3 that we had were these. Kissing birds, or they're the same. The box, which means 90. And they could be half circle, which means 180. We did those already. The new ones are these. Corresponding, is everyone copying? Is when they're matching in 2 different groups, but they're matching. The second kind is alternate interior, both inside, and they make an X. Alternate exterior. Alternate means they make an X and they're both outside. And then you have same side interior. They don't make an X, they're on the same side, and they're both inside. They're both inside. So these 2 are inside, inside, where we do the coloring. These are both outside, and these are matching. See how they match, match, match. Those are the matching kind. Now, remember, woohoo! These are equal. These are equal. These are equal. They're the same, 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 same. These are 180. Copy, copy, copy. Okay, are we done? No, you're not done writing this down? Dang. Language, I'm recording. I'm recording. Both of you. Oh my God. All right. So in this problem, they tell us H is 60, and then they ask me for B. Oh, here, you pick up really loud because you're right here next to me. Okay, H and B are right here. So my first question is, are they both inside? Yes, they're both inside. So because they're both inside, it could be either alternate or same side interior. So do they make an X, Francine? Do they make an X, or are they on the same side? They make an X. So because they make an X and they're both inside, it's alternate interior. And if the lines are parallel, and they are, because it tells you right there, then they're equal, they're the same. So in the problem, it says angle H is 60, so I write angle H is 60. The reason I know that is because it's given, it's in the problem. So I draw an arrow, because they're connected now. H and B are connected. So then I write, because they're alternate interior, they're the same. So then angle B is how much, Michael? If they're the same. How much is angle B? They're alternate interior, so they're going to be the same. So angle B is 60. Thank you. They're the same. The reason that it's 60 is because they're alternate interior. And the lines are parallel. They're connected. This is the kind they are. The arrow matters, telling you that those two are alternate interior. Because the lines are parallel, they're the same. All right, let's do G next. So where's G? Here's G. So we're talking about G and we're talking about H. So my first question, Brandon, are they both inside? G and H. Are the G and H, the ones that are yellow? Are they inside? Look, are they in the color part? Yes, look. This is the inside part. These are the lines. It's inside. You see the lines? They're inside. Both of them are inside. Yes, they're inside, right? Now, okay. All right, so do they make an X, or are they on the same side, Ivan? Same side, they're on the same side. They don't make an X. X would be on this side. So it's gonna be same side interior. They're on the same side. They're both inside, so I'm gonna subtract from 180. So this, I'm doing H and G. So I don't make the arrow from B, I make the arrow from H. Yes, because it's a proof. So you do 180. Can you please stop talking? Or go outside, please. So I do 180 minus the 60, and I get 120. So angle G is 120. Same side interior. And because the lines are parallel, I do 180 minus 60. This is for H and G. They're connected. I don't make a connection between B and G because we're talking about G and H. Next, angle F. So I'm talking about angle F. and angle H. So the first thing I ask, are they both inside? Brandon, I'm going to ask you to make sure you understand. Look, are they both inside? This is the inside where I do the color. Are they both inside, Brandon? I think I heard you say it. Or somebody up there. No, they're not. Look. This is the inside. I don't know how else to explain to you. Look, do you see the color? Do you see this? Do you see where I'm coloring it? This is the inside right here. This is outside, outside. This is between the lines. All right, so okay, so I'm gonna draw the circles. So look, they're not both inside. Are they both outside, Michael? Are they both outside? H and F. No, this one is where, Brandon? Is this as F inside or outside? Outside. Francine, H, is it inside or outside? Inside. It's in the color part. That's why we want to color the part so we know what's outside, inside. So what kind are these, Ivan? Are they're not both inside, they're not both inside, they're not both outside. What kind are they? Yes, they're matching. Do you see how they're matching? Do you see the group? They're in the same spot in both groups. They're corresponding, H and F. So because the lines are parallel, they're going to be the same, equal. So I'm going to draw an arrow from H. So angle F is how much, Brandon? Yes, perfect. They're the same. Very good. Can you quit doing that because you're moving my table? One inside and one outside? They're nothing. They're nothing. If one is inside and one is outside and they make the X, they're nothing. That's not one of the kinds we have. Actually, I'll show you an example. It depends where it's at. But it's not one of these. It's going to be this one. Maybe. Okay, that was number 3. Now we're going to do number 4, D. So, I'm almost running out of colors. Here's D. Everybody see D? Here's H. Okay, now this is your question exactly. Are they both, okay, let me ask you this. D is where, Francine, inside or outside? Is D inside or outside? Very good. Brandon, is H inside or outside? Inside or outside? Inside, very good. So, let me ask you this, Michael, if it's not this one, right? Because this is both inside and outside, inside. One is outside, one is inside. Are they matching, Michael? H and D. No, because they have to be in different groups. Look, this is in the same group. They have to be in different groups. So let me ask you this, Michael, which one's the corresponding to D? And it's going to be in this group. Which one's corresponding to D? Exactly. And which one's corresponding to H, Ivan? In this group. No, not G. Yeah, F. Okay, so these are none of them. None of these. What are they? Are they kissing birds? Yeah, they're kissing birds. That's what kind they are. So then H and D are kissing birds. So I go from H, I make a new one, angle D. Kissing birds are the same. So if H is 60, D is 60 also. Because they're vertical angles. For vertical angles, the lines don't have to be parallel. That's all you put. Ivan, you can complain, but it's not going to change anything. E. All right, for E, here's E, here's D, here's E. What do you see? So let me ask you again, Brandon, E is inside or outside? Woohoo! H, Michael? Inside. All right, so one is inside, one is outside. Are they matching, Ivan? They're not matching. They're in the same group. Well, I know that, but I'm asking, are they matching? No, they're not matching. They're in two different groups. Okay, which one are they then? This is the half circle. Does everyone see how they look the same? So 180. So 180 minus 60 is 120. So I draw arrow from H. That you made a mistake twice in a row. No one's perfect. Only me. All right, and that's how you were supposed to do this. So what you're going to do next is you're going to do another one. It's going to look very, very fun. Before this is going to be a review for your quiz. After the break, you'll take your test. It's going to look really, really, really fun.